What if I told you the most powerful GPU of 2025 isn't from Nvidia or AMD? We tested 12 cards, benchmarks, 4K gaming, even AI workloads, and one destroys $2,000 flagships for half the price. Is it a glitch? A scam? Or the best deal in PC gaming? All links below. Let's expose the truth. Starting at number 1. Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060. Best graphics card for mainstream gaming at 1080p. Nvidia's GeForce RTX 4060 graphics cards offer exceptional performance at their $299 MSRP starting price, if you can find one for near that. Not only are they a significant improvement over the last-gen RTX 3060 graphics cards, but they also deliver greatly improved ray tracing performance, and they can benefit from DLSS 3 to boost select games. That, along with their 8GB of GDDR6, arguably the perfect amount of video RAM for a cost-conscious 1080p graphics card right now, makes the merits of the RTX 4060 clear to see. The RTX 4060 has enough power to run many modern games with maxed-out settings at 1080p, and it's an excellent choice for someone who wants to game at that resolution with the best image quality possible. If you aren't bothered by reducing the image quality a bit, cheaper cards could be sensible options, but for 1080p max settings, this is arguably the best option right now without overspending. Just don't buy this card for heavy 2K or 4K gaming, it isn't the best solution for that. Also, know that GeForce RTX 5060 cards are coming in May 2025, and Nvidia puts the starting price for those at the same $299 MSRP. We'll have to see how that pricing holds up in the real world, though. Number 2. Intel Arc B580. Best graphics card for high-refresh gaming at 1080p. Intel's Arc B580 results from years of effort to create a more powerful graphics card to compete with AMD and Nvidia. It is a major step up in overall performance, with impressive generational improvements enabling it to outperform the AMD Radeon RX 7600 and the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060. Best of all, it's also the most affordable of these three graphics cards, at least at MSRP, slated to sell at a $249 starting price and undercutting the competition. While the B580 is a capable graphics solution, it's best suited for running games at 1080p settings with maxed out settings. You can also push the card to run games at 1440p or 4K, but you'll need to reduce the graphics settings in most modern games to maintain a steady frame rate. It could still serve as a budget-friendly option for gaming at those higher resolutions, but if you want to enjoy running your games with topped-out graphics settings, or close to it, with the B580, you're better off sticking to 1080p. The B580, costing just $249, is arguably the best value graphics card option of the moment, until you reach the $400 price point. Number 3. Nvidia GeForce RTX 5060 Ti, 16GB. Best graphics card for mainstream gaming at 1440p. With a powerful graphics core and 16GB of GDDR7 RAM, the Nvidia GeForce RTX 5060 Ti, which we tested in a PNY-branded card, is one of the most capable graphics cards in its price range. It easily outshines the older Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060 Ti, and the RTX 5060 Ti's use of GDDR7 RAM enables higher bandwidth on the card, which is essential to gaming at higher resolutions. The Nvidia GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 16GB is well priced at $429 and provides just the gaming experience you would expect for that price tag. It isn't the ideal pick for 4K gaming, like some more expensive graphics cards are, but it excels at running games at 2K resolutions, i.e., around 1440p, with high or maxed out graphics settings. It's a bit of an overkill card for gaming at 1080p, but it's still an excellent option for that purpose, too. This is particularly true for the 8GB model that retails for $379, which should offer a huge leg up over the $299 Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060 for the RTX 5060 Ti 8GB's asking price. Any gamers looking to run games at 1080p or 2K resolution should strongly consider an Nvidia GeForce RTX 5060 Ti if their budget is up to it. Number 4. AMD Radeon RX 970. Best graphics card for high-refresh gaming at 1440p. The Radeon RX 970 pumps out powerful performance for its price, enabling it to compete with Nvidia's GeForce RTX 5070 and often surpass it. The model we reviewed also remained exceedingly cool during our testing process, and its relatively low base clock speed suggests it could have deep potential for overclocking. While overclocking to boost performance isn't always possible, the extra power and cooling available on this card give you lots of foundation to try and eke out some extra frames. AMD's Radeon RX970 XT overshadows the Radeon RX970, but as that card has become hard to find, the Radeon RX970 is likely the best alternative for you to actually buy. It isn't quite as fast as the RX970 XT, but it's still potent and more than a match for Nvidia's GeForce RTX 5070. Overclocking could take this further, but even without it, you should be able to play games at 1440p with relatively high graphics settings and have an enjoyable gaming experience. Number 5. AMD Radeon RX7900 XTX. Best graphics card for high-refresh gaming at 4K, AMD. For 4K gaming, AMD's Radeon RX7900 XTX offers the best value for money of all the high-end graphics cards currently available. This GPU is priced competitively against the more exorbitant Nvidia GeForce RTX 4080, with the RX7900 XTX showing the edge in testing in most of the games we ran it on. Plus, the big premium we're seeing on prices for the better GeForce RTX 5080 makes the RX7900 XTX look like that much more of a bargain. It's also an enormous improvement over AMD's previous generation of GPUs. Just make sure you buy a powerful CPU to match it, so as to avoid CPU bottlenecks. We tested an AMD reference version. If you want to have one of the fastest graphics cards available, but you also want to make sure you're getting the best value for your hard-earned cash, the Radeon RX 7900 XTX is the best option right now. So, will you grab the number one card or risk overspending? Drop a hot take in the comments. If we saved you $500 plus, smash like, share with your squad, and subscribe, because next week, we're leaking banned GPU secrets. All purchase links? You know the drill. Game on!